So, hello guys. Today we are going to see a project demonstration of a study on employee stress management towards Klene Paks Ltd, Bangalore. So, actually, this is a case study, and for this project, we have not used a real-time data from the company. Actually, we take it as a reference from the internet sources, and we don't have any confirmed data from the particular company. So this is a disclaimer policy. And coming to the project, so this is the arrangement of document. So this project report contains total overall 109 pages. So starting with the contents. So the contents include an abstract, list of tables, list of charts, introduction. In the introduction part, actually it will be divided into 5 different chapters: chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first chapter covers the introduction part, which is industry profile, company profile, statement of the problem, objective of the study, need of the study, scope and significance of the study. So these are all included in the first chapter. Second chapter will be the review of literature. Third chapter covers the research methodology, which includes the source of data, questionnaires, sample size, everything. And fourth chapter will be the data analysis and interpretation. And the fifth chapter will be the findings and suggestions. So this is the overall contents in this project report. So this is the abstract. So actually the concept of this project is simply we are going to analyze the stress among the employees of the particular company. So here we take a case study of some particular company from Bangalore, and we are going to analyze how the employees are in stress or not. Okay, so these are a list of figures and list of charts. And coming to chapter 1, and as usual the chapter 1 start with introduction. So meaning and definitions, stress management concepts, meaning of stress management, definition of stress management, level of stress, managing stress, and external internal stress, source of stress, organizational stress. So like that the subheadings was discussed in these chapters. So the consequences of workload was discussed, role demands, interpersonal demands, organization structure, organization leadership and lifestyle. So like this general things was discussed in the introduction part. And the second part is the industry profile. So actually this company was basically the textile oriented kind of industry. So here the general category and general structure of the textile industry was discussed here. So the Indian textile and apparel industry, market size, investments and key developments, government initiatives. So like the industrial profile was discussed here. So the second thing is the company profile. So about that Klene Paks Ltd. So actually this company profile was developed with the reference of content given. And in the chapter 1.4 the statement of problem was discussed. 1.5 objectives of study was discussed, and in 1.6 need of the study was discussed, and in 1.7 scope and significance of the study was discussed. And coming to the chapter 2, the review of literature, the literature review. So previous research studies has been discussed and referred before starting this project. So these are all the contents. And in chapter 3 the research methodology. So the research methodology includes the methodology and research design with type of questions and sources of data, were discussed. And here we use the simple percentage analysis, chi-square analysis, and correlation analysis for the development of this project. And here the project starts with chapter 4, the data analysis and interpretation. Actually here the sample size was taken for 100 samples, and the questionnaires was framed. Here the questionnaires, overall 26 questionnaires were framed, and the questionnaires were issued to the public and the employees of the particular company, and the survey has been made. Based upon the survey, the data analysis has been done. So for example, I will take a question. So here the heavy workload. So actually the question has been asked with the employees, do you have any heavy workload? So most of the employees are telling that there is a heavy workload. So there may be stress based upon the workload also was identified in the interpretation. Like this, all the questions were tablically formed, and the input whatever given from the samples has been entered and analyzed, and the interpretation was given here, and a bar chart was given to represent the graphical data of the input. So like this, all the questionnaires were analyzed using the tabular column and the chart bar graph. So these are all the data analysis and interpretation. So for all 26 questions, they have made the data analysis and the interpretation, and then we said that we are using the chi-square analysis and correlation analysis. Based upon the formulation of the chi-square and the correlation, the data values will be analyzed. And ANOVA test is a new method of identifying the stress oriented kind of values. So here use the ANOVA test. And coming to the final chapter, conclusion, it starts with the findings. So findings will identify what are all the problems inside the company, and based upon the problems, the chapter 5.2 gives suggestions what are all the things you can overcome and you should overcome. And based upon all the complete survey, a statement of conclusion was given that these are all the problems inside the company, and we need to give the proper solution to the employees to overcome the issue. And coming to the final bibliography, so list of books, list of journals, list of websites referred to complete this project has been listed here. So these questionnaires we have already discussed. So guys, this is a very big project. Actually this project report contain around 110 pages of content. So actually this stress management was framed for a particular company, but we can change this company. If you required for some others company also, we can change the company details, and based upon the company details we can also change the samples, and we can also develop this project for some other companies. Okay, so if you required any support for your MBA project or internship thesis, journals, publications, ISBN number, you can contact our executive. 24/7 WhatsApp support available. We do service for all the universities around the world. So if you require any support related to the documentation, you can contact us. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and get regular updates. Thank you.